where see always look toward the sector where the government is focusing on, where the government is going all in capex and giving the benefits to them, because that's where the stocks are gonna perform. See, whenever I tell now about SMEs or small cap and mid cap, see, I also invest in some of the large cap. So we invest in a large cap that the company should deserve my money. Okay. So even I invest in large cap companies, but the thing is that they should deserve my money. Till that, I don't invest in such kind of business. See, if they have the tailwinds, if they have the market capture, if large market to capture, then only I invest in large cap, and they are growing by double digit of their industry growth, and even GDP is supporting them. See, I'm not opposing any large cap investments or kind of stuff, investing in large cap, but the thing is that they should have a large base to grow more in that large space. So if you look towards, I oppose in investing in HDFC Bank because they don't have that much large base to grow from that base. Okay, even if you look towards Asian Paint, there are too many tailwinds in the sectors. Sorry, I told the tailwinds, what? Headwinds. Headwinds in the sector. Opus is coming, Opus is disturbing the market. See, I personally have seen Opus is growing at much big space. The dealers near me are selling Opus in an aggressive way. So yeah, I can't invest in like these kind of large caps. I would rather burn my money in SMEs and small cap rather than investing in such large cap, because see, whenever the bearish market turns, whenever the market turns into bearish, they don't look toward the SME or large cap. Even large cap also falls in half. Okay, valuation becomes half of it. Even you are looking, you can see in current scenario of HDFC Bank. Okay, the stock is fallen by 30 to 40%. So like that way, there is a company in large cap. I love two large cap players. One is Lodha developer and another is Titan. So I've never shared this story about Lodha, that in 2020 to 2023, when Lodha was in 900 kind of, the valuation was kind of 25,000 to 30,000. I entered it, our even clients entered it, and I played that cycle very well, because at that time also the same kind of scenario was there, very much bearishness and all that stuff. We were getting that stock at a valuation and P of 25, and from that we entered in 800 to 850, and from that point it has given the bonus of 1:2 kind of stuff. So the stock was split in 3, and the valuation was around, then it become to kind of 300 to 350 our averaging value, and then the stock went up kind of 5 to 6x of our return. I personally and my clients have exited at 1756. Yeah, and that was a quite good exit for us and our clients at 1756. And from that it never touched 1756. I am again closely tracking Lodha developer again, because see, Lodha developer I'm investing 1.3 lakh in data center. Okay, quite huge opportunities there lying. So that's their non-core business. Okay, the core business is different. Okay, keep it aside. So Lodha developer is investing 1.3 lakh crore in their non-core business, which is gonna lead their next cycle in data centers. So that would be a kind of 2.5 gigawatt data center, and they have done MOU with Maharashtra government for it, and yeah, they are gonna quite expanding in data center space, even though they are even in logistic. Various people don't know that stuff, and they have kind of huge land bank in this Bombay, even in Pune, even in Hyderabad, even in, so quite well spaced, even in Bangalore. So Bangalore, I know they entered kind of 2022, and now they hold the market share kind of 10%. That's how their management is growing. That is a base. Even in Pune, last week last week I visited Pune for one of the management meet, and there where I just gone through a train and just got out of railway station, and in front of it there is Lodha building which is under construction. But yeah, see, the main core area in a city is near railway station and highway, and that's where my companies should do the construction, I believe. Okay, that's where the huge demand and opportunity is in the whole city space if you look towards it. And I forgot to tell that they are gonna build a data center in their own township of Palava. That is a 5,000 acre township. Okay, not a small kind of stuff. And various my team members have their home in Palava, and so I regularly visit that area even though, and even that World Tower and all that stuff, Trump Tower and that. So yeah. Quite good company to if you look towards it. Even Godrej properties are now at the current valuation of 50,000 crores. They have the land back kind of 4,000 acres in Bombay, and they are also expanding in Pune aggressively. I even visited their 2-3 buildings in Pune, even their new Pune this Thane space building is coming. Okay, I don't know whether the this OC they have received or not, but it's under construction only. So yeah, Godrej property is also a good bit if you track. Okay, in these two companies I love in real estate, wherein I was talking even about Titan. So Titan just updated with their Q4 numbers, and they have given that they have grown by 40% on YOY basis. The revenue they have grown at this large pace, at this large cap. The company is growing by 40%. So that's where I compare the Sinco with Titan, even PN Gadgil with Titan. They are growing by 20 to 30%, whereas the large cap is growing by 40%. Why should I invest in PN Gadgil and Senco? I will invest in Titan itself. Yeah, I know that it is trading at 80 at 200p, but I know that kind of growth they are getting. I know that kind of demand they are capturing. See, I personally visit Titan showrooms for just tracking and stuff. So yeah, there is huge kind of crowd every day visiting Titan in Bombay, even in various space. I just say इसका 10% भी अगर मेरे portfolio stock की company में आ गया ना भाई it will grow by 10x. Thangamayil itself is growing by 100%. It is also quite good company because 40% in the market, gold market is in South India. So yeah, we are even tracking that closely. And disclaimer, we are holding it. Okay. PN Gadgil has also come with its update. They have just surpassed this guidance of 10,000 crores revenue of whole year. They have just closed this year at to 10,744 crores, if I'm not wrong. That's a quite bit good, but they are gonna grow new stores next year, open 24 stores, and they are gonna grow their revenue by 25% to 13,500 crores. Quite of interesting bit, but not that much that Thangamayil and Titan holds up. Even Kalyan also, but they have some compliance issue, so need to track how they resolve that compliance issue. If it was not involved in that compliance issue now, the number one stock would be Kalyan, because in current scenario also they have grown Q4 by 60%. From last 2 years they are growing, and still they are growing at that pace. That's a quite good one. Their Candia is kind of Blinkit of Zomato we can say, is performing very good in lightweight jewelry. And even PN Gadgil is coming with their lightweight jewelry, lifestyle by PNG showrooms. Yeah, I visited personally, so yeah, quite good. So even we are tracking Reva by PNG. This PNG and Sons I am talking about, not PN Gadgil jeweler. This is another group company of their other, uh, we can say, cousins. Okay, so they are also growing quite well. I'm not going to talk about it in this video. We will do some deep dive in our next few video. You will get the video in next few days on it.